Let's review standard error probability. You are a teacher in a classroom. You have a population average of 25 and a standard deviation of 4. What is the probability that two randomly selected students will have an average age of less than or equal to 22? So to determine that, we need to define our z-score. To find our z-score, we can use the following formula. Where U equals our population average, which is 25, our standard deviation of our population, which is 4, n, which is our sample size, in this instance it's 2, and our x bar would be, trying to find, would be 22. So that and we get a z-score of negative 1.06. So now that we have our z-score, we can use our standard normal cumulative probability table. We can find 1.0 on the table, and we can go across to 1.06. And we see here that we have a 0.1446 probability. Or 14.46%. So we have a 14.46% probability that two randomly selected students from the class will have an average age of less than or equal to 22. So what is the probability that four randomly selected students will have an average age of less than or equal to 22? We're going to use our same formula, but this time we have a sample size of 4. So we receive a z-score of negative 1.5. When we look up our negative 1.5 on the probability table, we get 0.06668. Or 6.68%. The probability that four randomly selected students will have an average age of less than or equal to 22 is 6.68%. What is the probability that 2 random students have an average age of less than 26? So now we're changing our x bar. We're going to use the same formula. Our z-score is now 0.35. Having a look at our probability table, 0.3, 5, we have 0.6368. Or 63.68%. The probability that 2 random students have an average age of less than 26 is 63.68%.